The cold makeup look is back on trend since the beginning of this month, and I'm here with a detailed tutorial on how to achieve the cold makeup look. So get your makeup product or get your popcorn and let's get into this look. So the first thing you need to do is to prime your face. After prepping your face with whatever product you use to prep your skin. After priming your face, make sure to wait for at least a minute before applying any other product. I'm taking my foundation from Cosmetics. I'm just going to take one pump of foundation and I'm going to spread that around my face before blending it out with my beauty sponge. Taking my concealer, also from Cosmetics. A little goes a long way with your concealer. I'm just going to apply that under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead. Then I'm just going to blend this out immediately I apply it. I feel like this concealer needs to be blended immediately applying it. This concealer is actually matte concealer.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday.
Now I'm taking my setting powder and I'm going to use my flat brush to apply this everywhere I applied my concealer. As you can see, you don't need too much product to achieve this look. My foundation, my concealer, my powder, I've been using minimal makeup product. Now I'm taking my pressed powder and I'm going to use this to set my foundation.
In the safe on arrival, pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like though. I can show you bigger.
Okay, now it's time to bronze and I'm taking my palette from Cosmetics and I'm going to use that shade and I'm going to just bronze my cheek and I'm also going to bronze my forehead.
You could ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck.
Now it's time for the blush. For the blush part, make sure to actually apply a lot of blush. If you're someone that do not like applying a lot of blush, you have to apply a lot of blush for this makeup look because it is necessary to apply a lot of blush to achieve your cold makeup look. It's very necessary. Okay, now we've gotten to the fun part and now I'm just prepping my lid with my concealer. If you have an eyeshadow primer, you can use that also. Now the first shade I'm using is my mustard shade. I love to use this shade as a transition shade. and I'm just applying this at the upper part of my crease. Taking these two shades, and I'm going to apply them at the outer part of my eye, using the shades to create a little smokiness to my eye. Now I'm taking a white shimmer shade and I'm going to apply that on my lids, using the shade to carve out my crease. And now I'm just going to draw my ring. Taking this dark pencil, and I'm going to use that to draw a line in my waterline. And now I am taking my setting spray and I'm going to spray that on my face. Going back in with the white shimmer shade I use on my lid, and I'm using that to apply on the inner corner of my eye. Just highlighting everywhere that needs to be highlighted. Next, I am lining my lip. And now this is the final look. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and you learned something from this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.